you hit her with it?
Oh!
What happened?
Cody, she hurt her. No, she's limping.
Did she kick Gracie?
You didn't hear it?
Yeah, I did. Gracie's scared now.
Watch out.
Oh gosh, she's getting close, Candy.
Move,
This is
Nick.
exciting. Oh gosh, don't, Buggy.
You okay, sweetheart? You will do what I want you to do.
She hasn't been made to do anything in a while.
Just let me graze.
Poor Gracie, that hurt.
Hurt it. It's like a
Look at her, she's limping.
What y'all do?
Me and Gracie just like...
Jesse just hit Gracie. Because Daddy was like almost hit Jesse with the buggy whip. And
He wasn't even hitting her, he wasn't popping her. He was making it pop noise.
And Jesse kicked her leg, and Gracie was right there, and it hit her foot.
Get up. Get up.
LA weight loss. Candy can leave.